week is hashtag save Gugu's life. Will they find her alive? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 2nd to the 5th of May 2022 on Monday. Norma and Rose find Buchilo at the royal house and they want him arrested for breaking his bail condition. James says something he shouldn't have said. Then that things the self-harming kid is just a weakling on Tuesday. Buchilo and Jose set their plan in motion to rescue Gugu. It sang plants a seed of doubt in James' head, re-Amani's love for Lisedi. Things take a turn for the worse for Ndiwabo on Wednesday. Jose and Buchilo have one shot at telling Rose, but they are re-distracted when Susan receives death threats. James and Imani's relationship is put to test. Ndiwabo's saga takes a drastic turn on this day. Mpho and Tendamudzimu confront Ndiwabo about her apparent suicide attempt. Nomasondo is running out of time as Gugu is dying. Jose and Buchilo are on a mission impossible as they arrive at the mental asylum on Friday. Buchilo locates Gugu but finds that she's in a bad way. He figures out a way to get her out. Things get worse between James and Imani when Lisedi injured himself. Ndiwabo makes a shocking announcement to her parents. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.